ADHD, and the solution for him is take the pill. And I say, take the pill? And I never drink the pill. Why is the reason he needs to drink the pill? And he say, oh, are you born in this country? No, I come to Mexico. And he say, oh, this is the reason. Because in this country, the food there come for many, many, many miles. And then it's growing with preserves and herbicides. And this is the reason your son, he has this. And say, oh my God, and other option because only take the pill and that's it? Don't have another option? And he say, change the food. What kind of food I bring to my son?
Yeah.
And say, the organic, the natural products. And I say, oh, thank you for letting me know, but I choose for the healthy food. I don't get it a pill. Say, really?
Good job.
Because this is expensive, and you pay for me for medical. I don't know, but let me check the healthy food. And I go outside to the office. At one point I say, I go back with a doctor. I get the medicine because in one point I say, I pay for the food or I pay for my rent. My husband work and my son work for the minimum rates. Or pay rent or pay food. And I say, oh my God, what I do? Say, maybe I go to back to the doctor. And my husband say, no, you take it that time and go only for his son. Go and take the food for him. But in this case, when my husband say, go with the food, and I talking with my manager and give him extra hours for work, and only exclusively for the son. Say, okay. And I get the son for 3-4 weeks. The school called me and say, congratulations, you decided to drink the pill for your son. Say, no, I don't get a pill. What are you doing? I changed the food for the reality food. When the teacher say me this, I cry because I have long time with a problem. And I feel very frustrated, oh my God, what I do with my son? But when the teacher say me, congratulations, your son is better, say, oh my God, and I cry and I say, how many Marias there has the same problem outside? For many years, this area is empty, is high, the weeds, and empty. And then when I started with the 2 beds, the city looking for my little project, and they come to myself, and I ask myself, if you like growing the community garden in Ontario, yes, why not? If I facilitate the plant, yes, I'm happy. And there, the city give me the empty lands for the city. It's 8 different places, and I like this. I started in 2010 with a project, but in 2012, the city come to with my team and propose this land, and then make the process. In 2013, I get this land, and now I have 27 acres. This is the fourth. 27 acres. I have the second one in Huerta Valley, and the third one in Crestmore. Every one there has the different activities. The Huerta is the same to here, but Crestmore is more to the business. You can come under to Huerta del Valle program. You take 3 months for education program about to the farmers. And when you graduate to the program, you can go and submit the application for incubator program. When you have the incubator program, you get 1/4 acre, and you can grow in vegetables and fruits for sell to business. Andres is the farmer for Huerta, but he is the incubator program too. Pásate, Andres. And he is the incubator program too. And he has the business. He the vegetables and fruit, and
Oh, look how beautiful.
He sells the products. He's the little business, little by little, but he's going. And the Saint Andres, I have 11 participants right now. And the Abecas program in this area, they're running the education program with the kids for 4 years to 12. And these kids, the curriculum is in environment justice, food justice, art, and nutrition. You know, for me, it's a very big privilege represent to my members in the community. You know what the problem and what is the solution. For me, the solution is the campus. The campus thing is the same when you sick. When you sick, you take the medicine. The medicine for the plants is the campus. In the campus is the food for the plants.
Yeah.
And this is the same.
Medicine for the food,
Yes.
and then the medicine for human.
For human, because the food is the first human need.
And what do you say to young people who are interested in becoming a new farmer?
For the new people, there has the experiment in the life. What is the reason you stay very young, you know, 18, 20, 25, and you feel very tired, you know, but why is the reason? The reason is what you eat, what you think. When you eat healthy, you think healthy.
Powerful. I'm eating healthy today. I'm gonna come up with some great ideas.
Yeah.